Welcome to Lagos. Lagos is the most populous city in Nigeria and the financial center and economic hub of Nigeria. Lagos is the home country of the famous and the current African Player of the Year, Victor Osimhen. A city well known for her influence on commerce, entertainment, technology, education, politics, tourism, art, and fashion in Africa. Lagos no gree for anybody. Lagos is also among the top 10 of the world fastest growing city and urban area. The megacity has the fourth highest GDP in Africa. And today, we are ditching the ground and taking to the sky for a bird's eye tour of Lagos like you've never seen before. So get ready as Captain Jamil take us on this beautiful ride of Lagos. But first, let's rewind the clock. Before the skyscrapers and fast cars and the beautiful mega city of Lagos, Lagos was a cluster of fishing villages on a lagoon. In fact, the Awori people called it Eko, a place of peace and plenty. Then came the Europeans, trade, and a new name, Lagos, meaning a lagoon or lake settlement in Latin language. But hold up. Today is not about history. Today is about touring the beauty of Lagos State from the sky, where you will see the Eko Atlantic City, Apapa Port, Banana Island, Ikoyi, TBS, Third Mainland Bridge, and so on and so forth. And if you are indeed familiar with Lagos, kindly write in the comment section the location that you see in this video. As a matter of fact, I think after Abuja, Lagos has one of the best road network in the whole of Nigeria. And I'm not saying this because I live in Lagos. Evidence day. Time to take to the Third Mainland Bridge. This majestic architectural serpentine kind of look bridge is what connects Lagos Island to the mainland. In fact, it was the longest bridge in Africa until 1996 when the 6th October Bridge located in Cairo was completed. And if you're observant as the cars run along the Third Mainland Bridge, the lagoon below is reflecting the sky's ever-changing mood. This is Lagos' iconic landmark. To be candid, the sight of this multifaceted wonder of Lagos begs to be explored, experienced in all its magnificent glory. But wait, where exactly are we right now? This one looks like. Wait, let me get it. Can someone tell me where we are right now in the comment section? Another masterpiece of engineering and urban planning in Lagos is the Eko Atlantic City. Eko Atlantic City is a reclaimed city that rose from the ocean and from the sky vantage point. You witness the grand scale of this project with wide boulevards, skyscrapers, and a marina promising to become a hub for luxury yachts. Remember, this city is still under construction, but its skeletal beauty hints at the grandeur to come. And as we fly over Banana Island and Ikoyi, the enclaves of luxury, this is where Lagos alights on weed, where luxury knows no bound. Lush mansions everywhere, infinity pools, private yachts, and multi-billionaire penthouses with panoramic views of the lagoon. In fact, this is an exclusive luxury home to many billionaires in Nigeria. Billionaires like Aliko Dangote, Femi Otedola, Mike Adenuga, and the famous music star Davido. Remember, this is just a starting point. and it's only a taste of many treasures that await you in this video about Lagos State, Nigeria. Okay, why the admiration when you should be thinking of having a landed property in this same Lagos, Nigeria, or building? One thing I know for certain is that Lagos offers something for everyone, and that is why it is called Eko Ile. So pack your bags, embrace the beauty, and prepare to be dazzled by the magic of this Lagos. But before you see the next location, let me introduce you to something which I know you'll be very, very more interested. Now let's zoom in on Apapa Port, the lifeblood of Lagos economy. You can see the container ships like metal boxes line up everywhere like pure water. All these multicolored cargoes everywhere is a testament to Lagos City's insatiable appetite for trades. Ha! But money dey Lagos sha. No wonder why they say this is where Lagos heartbeat lies. The rhythm of commerce streaming through his veins. Sequence, dancing mechanical ballet, loading and unloading goods, while trucks find their way through the bustling port gates. Now, I know why this is called the heartbeat of Lagos.